Then we used a zigzag stitch with a 2mm stitch width on the Brother ST371 HD to apply this applique. Then just do a test piece of fabric, and now I'll cut off the excess fabric here and show you what that end product looks like. Here's a view a little closer up. We can see I just zigzag stitched around the outside border, just along the whole thing to encapsulate the textile in that mesh. I'll print up another one a little larger of a size, and then we are going to put it on the back of this white jacket.